making smothered chicken with vegetables today. And I have three kinds of vegetables here. I've got peppers, I've got celery, and I've got some onion down there, right? Okay, so it's gonna be colorful. Oh, and don't forget, I got some carrot too. I almost forgot to tell you. Okay, and so I've just flipped our chicken over that I'm browning here. We're using a cut-up chicken, okay? And I'm browning it. And then we're gonna take it out and put our vegetables in next and get them in with some nice chopped garlic, and we're going to get them all mixed together and get them going and sweat them up nice. And then from there we're going to put our chicken back, we're going to put some chicken broth, some thyme, and we're going to just make a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful chicken dish for you guys in one pot today. So as I remind everybody, remember to look at our shorts. Our shorts will be going in order from 1, 2, 3, and so on. And here's our chicken. Here's our chicken. Look at how pretty that looks. And it's browning beautiful. And we are going to continue on in our shorts as I put this all together. So this is Peter Carpitos, loving you all. Out!